Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? Well, I got a wonderful little item in the mail. I got an email from a company asking me if I would review an item. And I said certainly, and the reason I did, I get a couple of these every so often, but to be honest with you, I'm not usually very interested. And I saw this product and I said, you know, I'm interested in that. So, it's new to me. But I can already tell you, I'm sold on it. I'm not getting paid a thing for it, just so y'all know. So I could say whatever I want to say about it. But I'm just going to show it to you first of all. And let me take this plastic protectant cover. They did a good job of taking care of it before it got here. So this is it. And this is Solid Beauty Concepts HumanFriendly Nail Polish Organizer. And one thing I noticed on here, when you register your purchase for 1 year warranty, you get 15% off for your next organizer. So it's a heavy duty plastic construction, holds up to 48 bottles of nail polish, secure double class lids. That means, you know, where it's right here, right there. Resizable accessory compartments and designed by beauty professionals. So, and you can go to humanfriendly.net. Now let me just see. Yep, that's where I went. And I'm going to put the link in the video below for you to go to this. It's available on Amazon. The price tag is $24.99. Now, I feel like that's a good price for this product. I really do. And I'll tell you why. I want to get the dimensions for you. It's a 30-day money-back guarantee. The dimensions are 10 inches by 13 inches by 3 inches. So it's 3 inches deep, 13 inches long, and 10 inches high. The little compartments in each one of these are 3.5 by, long by 1.6 wide. It says versatile adjustable tool compartments. So let's just get back into it. Oh, I see what they're talking about. Let's just get into opening it. First of all, before I open it, I would like to say this. They may be telling you that this is for fingernail polish. But y'all, I feel like this could be used for a lot of things. I know some of you people are happy mail people. You're crafters. You like sewing. You like beads. I remember I used to cross stitch and I would put my strings on bobbins. My threads on bobbins. This definitely can be used for that. And you could put like 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 bobbins across on these things. Definitely if you're a crafter and you like beads, all kind of beads, because this is very close, the lid to the compartment, so they're not going to go all around crazy everywhere. Now I am noticing there's a little ridge across the bottom. So if you did do the beads, you would have to lay it like this. Because I did just notice there's like a little hump underneath there that you'd have to block. Oh, and I know what that is. That's for where the nail polish tops cross over. So anyway, I still feel like you could use this for so many different things. If nothing else, a very cool looking briefcase. Just kidding. Okay, so let's open it for what they are telling us it is for. Okay, so from this one side, it was very easy, as you saw, to pop that open. There it is inside. And this is what I meant. Let me just get a fingernail polish. I have some, this is OPI. So let's see, how would we lay it in there? What does it say? What does it show me? Okay. This way. That way or this way? I'm figuring it out. I would do it that way. Am I doing something wrong? I would put it in like this. Okay. Well, I am right. That is the right way to do it. And they show it with a lot of the OPI, but can I tell you, I got all kinds of fingernail polishes here. Let's see. This is Nail Teenies. Nail-Teenies will fit. And that's a really tall polish. This is my Chanel's. Easily fits. Whoops. So we've got OPI, we've got Nail-Teenies. Let's do an Essie. Easily fits. Let's do a floss gloss. I almost feel like you could fit two. You sure could. Two tail to tail, you could have 2 floss glosses in there. So that even doubles the size of what this could be. So does that, can y'all see how easily, I mean, even these really tall ones, like the Nail-Teenie and the OPI, have no problem fitting in there. No problem. So this is double-sided, so as you can see, over here, you'd have the same thing. So that, again, would be 48 compartments, 48 bottles, secured double class lift. So both sides of this open up. That is very, very cool. Okay, and like I said, you could, and that will still close with 2 of those in there. Look at that. That's got 2 of them. So, depending on the size, which I love floss gloss. And here's Zoya's, same thing. Look. So the smaller ones you could put head to toe like that and fit 2 in a compartment. And the thing is I'm sure like me, if you have fingernail polish, you have multi-brands. So the different sizes, what's cool about it is that they all fit. This is also super sturdy, but it's also lightweight. They give you 2 of these little toe, what are they called? The little, that spread your little toes. Okay, so let's go into the other side. I really like this, y'all. Very easy opening. I keep feeling like it's going to be hard, and it's not at all. Okay, so here's just the card. But these little toe separators. So you put those between your toes so that when you paint your own toes, they don't get paint on each other. And look at these little removable sides. So this is adjustable right here. This can come out on the end here. Again, I feel like you could use this for so much more than fingernail polish, y'all. Maybe you could use one side of it for fingernail polish and the other side for hair bows, you know, bobby pins, what am I trying to say, hair bows, rubber bands, all kinds of stuff. You could just use this for all kind of stuff. I'm thinking cosmetic-wise, you know, if you chose the right things. I'm just looking at some of my little things here that I could use. Little brushes. These little things. What other kind of things? Maybe a little lotions. Here's some lip gloss. Maybe some little samples. Sample sizes of stuff. Here's a little skincare product. I mean, this could be used for so many things. So maybe one side of it's makeup and skincare and the other fingernail polish. Y'all, this could be used for so many things. And it's sturdy. It's lightweight, so wouldn't be hard to carry all this around. They don't have to sell me on this. I sold myself on it. I really like this. I can't wait to see what all I'm going to use it for. But especially some of you people who are crafters, I bet y'all are looking at this going, I could use that for so many things. And for this to have so much space, that is, some of it, you know, with these little movable inserts are, you can interchange the sizes. It's very, very sturdy. I love this sturdy handle. It closes really and snaps really, really nice. You guys, I feel like it's, quite frankly, a steal at $24.99. And again, if you buy it, especially for some of you who have heavy duty stuff, or if maybe you do this for a living, like you do nails for a living or something like that, all kinds of little utensils in here, like fingernail clippers and little size files. I'm just sitting here looking at stuff like that would probably fit. I don't know if that will fit or not, but that's just an eyelash curler. I'm just thinking there's so many other little ways that you could use this. Q-tips. You could just have this in your bathroom for so many things. Instead of it taking up, all that stuff taking up drawer space, it could be in your little suitcase that you could put like under your vanity. Or if you're a crafter or, you know, do any kind of sewing, this could go underneath your sewing desk or craft table. Or you could lay it flat up on it. I mean, it's just, y'all gotta tell y'all, I really am glad they sent this to me because I don't have to send it back for one thing. And I think this is a great product. And because you get 15% off the second one, you can go out and purchase another one of these, have 2 of them, and have 15% off. So I feel like that's really a great, I feel like this really is a good bargain, and I feel it is a really good product. So I'm glad they sent it to me. and I would highly recommend it. Again, it's called a Human-Friendly brand, and I will link it down below. And that really is all that I had to say about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Comment below and tell me what you think of this. Would you all think that you would use this? And if so, what would you use it for? I really like it here. I'm going to show you up a little closer what you could use this for. And again, I took out some of the like lotions and toe things, but what would you use it for? I just feel like there's so many options. And again, you could use one side for just the nail products, but you could use the other side for so much more. I love that I keep thinking, oh, this is going to be hard to get into. It's a sturdy little pop, so it's not going to pop open by accident. So, you know, it's not like, oh, I'm going to, you know, be putting something in there and then it's going to fall out. But like these little brushes, these little toe things, I'm going to put all this back in here so you can see so many little options. I'm just picking up stuff. Look, my little electronicals. I'm going to put that in there. Oops, let me put that one right there. Look at that. That fits in there. When I get samples, sometimes I look for where would I keep all my little samples that I get from, look at there. That's perfect. So look, I've got some little electronicals. I got some sample products. I've got all kinds of little skincare samples and just little utensils for beauty. So this could be for beauty. It could be for crafting. It could be for so many things, y'all. I really do feel like this is a fantastic product. And I do feel like that $24.99 is a steal for this product. So anyway, y'all comment below and tell me, what would you use this wonderful Human-Friendly, it says nail polish organizer. I'm just going to call it an organizer, but it's called the nail polish organizer. And I love that it has a little handle too, if you want to take it places with you. Anyway, comment below. Love you guys so much. Talk to you again soon. Bye!